Hi guys, today I'm going to Tesco to get fireworks.
Where are they? 2 for 45. Midnight Mania. Okay, so that's 2. Should we get the big one?
Yeah.
Alright, we'll have 2 of them then. And you want titanium spark.
So that's my fireworks.
We're going to set them off. You. 2 boxes, you're spoiled. Go on then.
No, but you said you wanted to buy 2.
Alright then.
Hi guys, Tesco fireworks.
Today we're gonna open Midnight Mania, which is £2 for £45 from Tesco.
What is this?
The fireworks safety sheet.
Which we don't need, so let's throw that away. You don't need safety, you want safety. What is this? Is this candy?
This is a fountain
Is
or a
this-
window wall.
Is this candy? Mystery.
This is a 7-shot zombie
Skyburst.
something.
Skyburst.
This is another fountain for a bowl.
Ooh, explore.
This is a multi-effect fountain called Nebula.
Ooh, magic gold.
Called what?
Nebula.
Wait, have you heard the
Nebula.
book? Have you read the book Magic
Similar.
Gold?
Magic code. Put it there then.
Another fountain called Digitize.
Oh, I remember that from last year.
I remember.
What's that big shot one? That's going to be good.
This one.
Yeah, let's have a look. What's it called?
Skyburst.
Skybirds. Look, you can see the shots there. So which is the heaviest one? Oh, that's heavy. That's light. Light. You can tell what's going to be good by the weight. That's light.
I'm gonna use these.
That's heavy. That's heavy. So this is going to be good. Zombie revival.
Is this broken?
No, that's where you put the rocket. How many rockets?
No, that's a lot.
There's a lot. Only rocket. 2 rockets. Oh, only 2.
But they've got, what's this? Open.
So last year we got 2 sky fire boxes. That was okay.
But now we got the big one.
The big we got upgraded. We got upgraded. So what else is in it, Annie?
This is Tombstone,
What's
a multi-effect
this?
fountain.
What's this?
Another fountain called Whirlwind.
Next
Yeah.
time I'm gonna get the £70 one.
Yeah.
Fountain called Explorer.
That's what I
Yeah.
already said.
We got 2 boxes. I'm gonna set them off one by one and see what the fireworks
Do
are
we
like.
need this?
Yeah, wick. That's the lighter. Yeah, that's quite heavy. It's quite nice.
Be careful not to pull the green.
Yeah. Okay, let's light them now. All indoors.
Okay, where's the lighter?
Yeah. How many rockets? 2. What's these? Shot tubes.
Do you open that?
Mystery ripple.
Do you open
Oh, that looks like a chocolate. That I could eat this.
Do you open the wrapper?
Evolution.
Do you,
No, you don't open the wrapper. You light the fuse on the end.
But do you open this one though?
Where do you like this one?
I think you.
Open and remove tabs. Oh, it's on top. So how many did you get? 17. Which do you think is going to be your favorite? The shot tube. You want to like that one?
I like this one and this one.
And we also got some sparklers.
This is for me.
5 in a pack. That's good for £1. We'll just-
Here though.
That's the last year's.
I want to check it.
There's still some left. What's that one? Solar power.
And we got
Vortex.
Vortex.
You can use them as well.
We also got this one. Wait, have we got the same?
Yeah. Yeah, there's some overlap. There'll be a lot of overlap. That's why I went with that one last year.
Five.
Yeah.
Oh, it wants
Yeah. So we'll use all them up first.
And then get the big ones. This is other big ones. So guys, subscribe to our YouTube channel.
To see how we set all these fireworks off.
I'm gonna open this. They're bandy.
Tesco fireworks.
But what if
Midnight
Wait,
Mania.
Daddy, what if this is bad?
What do you mean bad?
It says it might be good, but is it good? That's the question.
Well, we're gonna find out in the next video. Is it good or is it bad?
It might not be the next video. It might go to
So remember to subscribe for the next video where we set up all of these fireworks from Midnight Mania box from Tesco. 2 for £45. See if it's worth it.
Can we be funny? Wait, these are actually scary. Look at the blister. Wait, not blister. Burn.
Move back.
Super back, guys. Guys, back up.
What's that?
Hey.
Is it falling over?
Smoke.
That was absolute rubbish.
That was so cool.
Orbit boom. Where's the boom?
We got 4 more left.
Where was the boom? Oh, it didn't fall over.
Oh, it's a boom.
That's good.
Look at what the people
Found.
tried to so good and that's rubbish. Yeah, we should have bought expensive ones.
Put some of these on.
Bonfire goes for awesome.
Yes.
You're not the one I liked.
Try this one then.
Let's feed the fire.
Mom, so good when
Move. He's out. More. What's it? The banana plant.
nothing. Now let's set off the boats on and see if they like.
Skyfire. Sounds like a James Bond movie. Skyfire.